Dear listeners, welcome to our new webinar. I'm Bengisu. You know that in today's dynamic business environment, the effective onboarding and offboarding of employees are crucial for corporate success. These processes play a significant role in seamlessly integrating new hires into the company culture and increasing employee productivity and mitigating risks associated with employee turnover. So today we will dive into the world of Autom Mate solutions and explore how they can revolutionize the management of employee requirements and termination processes. These solutions aim to enhance the efficiency of onboarding new employees, improve overall workforce productivity, and reduce risks related to automate solution. So, what will we discuss in this webinar? For example, automating onboarding tasks, including role-based access provisioning, software installation, and distribution of training materials to ensure a smooth and efficient transition for new employees. Or understanding how to automate tasks such as account deactivation, access termination, and assess recovery to streamline departure procedures, minimizing potential security risks and compliance issues with Automate. But first, let's get to know Automate more closer. And after that, we will see how you can quickly onboard new employees into the system in seconds with Automate. And finally, I will try to answer your questions. Also, we have another informative session scheduled for today. In the second session, we will be discussing the same topics, and it will take place at 4 p.m. in Turkey time for those who cannot attend in this session. So let's start learning how to make support for effective management of the offboarding process with Automate. Companies looking to become digital enterprises must integrate their systems and data. This is essential for making autonomous decisions and improving efficiency. But integrating multiple systems can be challenging sometimes. This is because systems often cannot communicate with each other, leading to data isolation and operational inefficiencies. To overcome these challenges, companies should use a unified platform that can integrate all of their systems and data. This enables them to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and provide a better customer experience. Automate is a service technology optimizer that helps companies on their digital transformation journey by providing a different perspective. It showcases these capabilities on a hyper-automation model platform. With Automate, you can improve and streamline your internal processes end-to-end, saving time and money, and as a result, you can create a productive work environment and win happy customers. Automate offers three different service offerings to support you on this journey. First service is Gear 1, maybe as you remember previous webinar, service engagement experience. Improves and simplifies the first contact process with your customers. As a result, a customer who knows they will receive good service will be won over. And the second one is service operation and delivery experience. This service improves and simplifies the operational and delivery operations of your processes. For example, you can automate departmental internal processes to allow your employees to focus on more value-added tasks, so increasing their motivation. And the final service is Gear 3, Service Integration and Intelligence. It digitizes your in-departmental processes within the company, allowing you to offer your team a completely different working experience thanks to the integration of different systems and processes. And the final one also, thanks to its AI feature, you can clone all of these services with data analysis capabilities in a single structure and become a digital enterprise. And today's topic is service operation and delivery experience. If we realize that the tasks we often mention as routine in our daily lives actually constitute 85% nearly of our workload, it means we have embarked on the gas for digitization. This is because we often stop thinking about routine tasks, making errors due to lack of attention and dealing with tasks that may not be completed on time because we need to interact with different people, different departments, different systems. So, how does Automate help? Service operation encompasses the daily activities, service delivery, and effective execution of these services for a business. This process involves planning, organizing, managing, and monitoring the services of a business. Effectively managing the operational processes can enhance service quality and customer satisfaction. And the other one is delivery experience, service presentation experience. Delivery experience refers to how customers experience a business's services. This includes the customer's interaction with the service, the presentation of the service, communication, and overall satisfaction. A good delivery experience can increase customer loyalty and positively impact the reputation of the business. Customer interactions with the service include the value provided by the business, communication, and overall experience. For a business to be successful, it is important to both effectively manage operational processes and enhance the quality of services offered to customers, providing them with a positive experience. With Automate, you can increase customer satisfaction and ensure the long-term success of your businesses by delivering good service operation and delivery experience to your customers. Let us explain with an example to more clarify. For example, let's take a look at the onboarding, offboarding processes. These are account processes that need to be completed on time between HR and IT departments when an employee starts or leaves a job, and are often tried to be resolved with email traffic between HR and IT department generally. With Automate, you can digitize this process and automate the repetitive account process that is manually performed on IT. This means you can update, add, or remove any number of users in the system in seconds with Automate. This will eliminate both user dissatisfaction caused by the inability to be included in the system in time during the requirement process, and also security problems that may occur in the company due to employees who are not removed from the system in time. Let's now take a look together at how we can quickly accomplish this process with Automate. Okay, imagine you own a company with high turnover rate of employees. The process starts with collecting information about the new employee in the HR department and continues until the IT department sets up the employee's accounts. Now let's create a user with Automate within seconds. In my example process, I'll be using the For Me ITSM product. I'm, for example, in the HR department and entering the information of the new employee into the system. So I click on resources part and I want to request some new requests about adding new employee. First of all, start by entering the information for example, Oliver, and the last name is Taylor. And Oliver is in IT department, and also his title is UX designer, for example. And you can also add his mobile number. And also you can add some notes about Oliver and also some attachments, for example, his CV. And after submit this, this user is created within the local Active Directory in the relevant department. Now let's look my local Active Directory. Okay. I refresh my page. Yes, this is here. Oliver is created. We can see the user Oliver that we created here. Let's see how we accomplish this in Autom Mate. Autom Mate is a no-code platform, and you drag and drop the action that suits your process and simply enter the required parameters. That's enough for development. On the left, there are three different library categories: apps, advanced action, and UI actions. And we open the, for example, Active Directory library under the apps category, and there are actions to perform within the Active Directory, such as connect action. After dragging and dropping in the configuration area, as you can see, that's open on the right panel. All we need to do is enter the necessary information for the connection. In Autom Mate, the crucial thing is not the application you use or the industry you are in. The only thing you need to do is understand your process well and convey it correctly. We handle the rest together. Now, let's talk about another task request from IT teams during the onboarding process, adding new employees to relevant email groups. Let's simplify the process with Autom Mate. In this scenario, our tool is For Me again, and I go to my For Me account page and select new request part, but now I want to select information technology part. There are lots of different options, but I want to choose this one. Yes. And this page, it asks to me which user can you add which group, which email group. I choose Oliver, and I want to add Oliver to IT all email group. And again, I can add some notes or attachments. After submit this, I back to my local Active Directory and refresh my page. And I find Oliver. As you can see, Oliver is added to related email group, IT all email group. Actually, that's all. That's all, especially in companies with high employee turnover. Being able to add or remove a person from the system within seconds is crucial for user satisfaction and company security. And also you can achieve this quickly with Autom Mate. If I return to my presentation, one of the best things about Autom Mate is it provides a flexible solution for digitalization, allowing you to start with what you need and customize it to your unique process, avoiding the frustration and cost of unnecessary services. Autom Mate becomes a medicine to treat that your problematic part for you. So you can start in your digitalization journey with Autom Mate whenever you want and wherever you want. We previously mentioned that Automate functions like a medicine by healing the area where you are expressing issues. We work with many prominent institutions globally, and our commitment to them is unwavering. Our goal is to make our customers' work easier by digitizing their process while keeping customer satisfaction intact. We achieve this without causing excessive costs or requiring major adjustments to their existing routines. So, how do we do this? First, we listen to you and work together to identify the problematic areas. We make improvements and ensure that this change integrates seamlessly with your existing system. You can view some examples of our successful implementations with our clients on the screen. For example, in the notification apps process, our primary focus is on enhancing customer relationships. So it's related to Tier 1 services, service engagement experience. Debit form management, onboarding, offboarding process are related to Tier 2 services, service operations and delivery experience, because our primary focus is streamlining departmental processes and automating repetitive tasks. And the SDLC processes falls under Tier 3 services, service integration and intelligence part, because we collect in facilitating communication between different departments, different systems, different peoples. To discover more about these success stories directly through the mouths of our customers, please visit our website at automate.com. And this page is related to our references. Automate is a rapidly growing platform that has already been adopted by leading business in Turkey and all around the world, as you know. And we are just committed to helping our customers succeed. Throughout the presentation, we discussed how happy customers and employees can elevate us. Working with a team that believes in finding quick and accurate solutions to their problems and can allocate time for themselves will always give you an advantage. You will outperform your competitors with a different strategy. At least we are trying to help you achieve this with Automate. If you are wondering how to get Automate, you can choose from our flexible licensing options. Actually, we have just one licensing model. You can choose on-prem or cloud options. And also, if you want to join the Automate family or stay informed about us, please follow us on our social media accounts or visit our website, automate.com. You can also try Automate for free by creating a demo account, demo.automate.app. Now let's look question on chat. If you have any question. Okay. I think I don't have any question. If you have any question after the presentation, okay. Which HR apps do you support? Actually, Automate industry and application agnostic platform. We can integrate any platform, and yes, we can integrate any platform. Sometimes, for example, today I will show our example for using For Me ITSM product. But also I want to choose any ITSM product or any CRM product, any HR product. Actually, we have lots of different products, our library. For example, For Me, many changing products, and also some CRM programs like Salesforce. and some ERP programs like SAP, and we have any different applications in our library. Actually, we have just one licensing options. You can choose cloud or on-prem options, and our licensing model is related to flow structure. For example, onboarding process is a one flow. Offboarding process is another flow. And our starter packet has two flows. Do you have any question? Actually, how do you difference from RPA products? Actually, Autom Mate is not just an RPA product. Autom Mate is a hyper-automation platform. What is the meaning of hyper-automation? Hyper-automation is a new technological trend. It tries to collect different automation technologies with also AI technologies in the same platform. So Autom Mate sometimes become an iPaaS product that integrates your applications, your processes, sometimes become an RPA product that automates your repetitive tasks. I think that's all. Do you have also any other question? Please contact us. To go digital, all you need to do is take the first step. And if you want these steps to be right and profitable for you, you should get to know Autom Mate, because we are always here to partner with you to create new success stories. Thank you very much for taking time, guys. Goodbye, but for now.